about how can you change country on your Dailymotion app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just click on here, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click on settings, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on country here, you just click on it, and here can you change your country in this list. There is a lot of country, can you change it. So that's all you have to do to change your country here. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like